wait, yes, you. If you haven't decorated your house for Christmas this year, this video is for you. I'm gonna show you the 2023 Christmas decoration trend, so your house or your space can be up to the latest trends. So a little bit of a spoiler, there are a few that are from last year too, and if you were the one who bought things from last year trend, you might be able to use a few of them this year too. But there are some others that are completely new, and I can't wait just to show you. But why talk about it when I can actually show you? So let's go to the store, and I'm gonna show you directly there what we found, and I'm gonna explain you if it is a trend or not. So let's go. After going to so many stores, I was impressed of how easily it was to identify the trends of this year. And I really love how they reflect this year's life and decoration trends, and not only trends, but people lifestyles. Now moving to the first trend, which it's something particular, and I really like it because it captures the coziness of we always feel in winter, which is crocheted elements. And actually in 2023, this was really popular, people started to crochet. So ornaments on the Christmas tree can be now with balls made with a cover of crochet, which is really interesting and captivates that vibe of Christmas and winter. And also the cushions for your sofas. Continue with the coziness, now we go to the wooden elements. And actually we had this one last year too, but I feel like this year we having even more elements, more variety, including all these natural vibes to the Christmas tree and decoration. And also something that it's being combined with these wooden elements is the minimalism. You're gonna find a lot of these snowmen and these clean shape Christmas tree as an accent in a lot of places as a decoration for this year. Okay, now going back to the trends. So flock elements, and I don't even have to tell you more about this because I know you are an expert on this, and these trends have come and go at different times. So I just feel that it's getting more creative, that I just have to point this out on this video. And look just how this little Christmas tree looks like. I just love it. Going back to new trends, so cozy elements, natural color, natural elements in the decoration too. Wood, but not only on the Christmas tree, also applying greens, but not the greens that we are also applying most of the time, all like the shiny one. This is a natural green, always keeping the warmth and coziness. Now we are entering to one of my favorites, oversized elements. And last year this was something really new, and we are continuing this year with this again. And it's so amazing because you get to decorate more space with just one element, and it's just different and unique. So I've always loved this trend. Again, Christmas this year, it's always happening, but this year I find it like funny Christmas, really creative element. And now we're going with your favorite character. We're including all of them in our home decoration and Christmas tree. Harry Potter, Star Wars, and even Spider-Man is part of this. So as you can see, there are so really interesting things, and I'm wondering how am I gonna decorate my house, because I haven't decorated mine either. Trying to define my concept of my Christmas decoration. But let me know in the comments if you already started to decorating, how did you decorate it, and if you haven't, which of the elements that I just showed you are you thinking of applying this year? So thank you so much for being here today. Subscribe if you like this video, and don't forget to hit the bell so you don't miss any other trend or any other video that I post. So thank you so much. Have fun doing decor hunting for Christmas, and see you on the next.